How to sign up for Betway account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can create an account on Betway. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar and then type in Betway. Press enter in your keyboard. Now head towards their official website, that is betway.com. Click on it. Once you land on their website, navigate to top right corner. There you have sign up button. Click on it. Now you'll be taken into sign up page. First of all, you have to enter your account information. So create a username for your account. Under that, create a password and make sure you follow all of these criteria given here in order to create a password. Create a password for your account. After that, provide your email account or email address. Then click on next. And the second step, you have to enter your personal details. So provide all the required information on your personal details. After that, also provide your contact details. Now once you have completed all of these steps, click on register. After that, you may be prompted to verify. So complete the verification process. Also, you may be asked to verify your identity with all the necessary documents. So verify your identity. Once verified, you will have an account on Betway. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.